Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys like my everyday makeup routine using some of my favorite products. And so first and foremost, what I like to do is put on a little SPF. This one is so good. So, it's like definitely a brown girl friendly. It's everybody friendly, but it's definitely brown girl friendly. It is the Live Tinted Hue Guard. It's a 3-in-1, so it acts as a moisturizer, primer, and SPF 30. I did put on some moisturizer since my skin is very dry, so it looks like this. Comes on like orange. You see that? It's so nice. And it'll like just blend so nicely. You'll get no white overcast. And it is like, it really does grip onto your makeup really well. And it gives you a nice glow too. And then I'm just gonna quickly, really fast put some concealer over my lids. I'll just put a little bit down here, and I'm gonna actually put more concealer down there in a little bit, but this kind of acts as like a little eyeshadow primer. And my everyday, I don't put on a lot of eyeshadow, but I want to show you guys something cool. So give me 1 second, let me blend this out. I want to show you guys this little eyeshadow stick. It's from Laura Mercier. It's their Caviar Stick Eye Color. It is so easy to apply, and so if you're just like on the go and one little pop, and I'm trying to find a good mirror. This isn't gonna work, is it? Hold on. Okay, here we go. You just take it and apply it on your lid like this, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you'll kind of like blend it out. So this is kind of like a nice little like purpley color, and that's the theme of this whole look. I'm matching this outfit anyways, so I kind of want like this pink purple look today. But anyways, you put it on your lid like so. And then you'll just take a brush and blend that on your lid. It's the fastest eyeshadow you'll ever do. I like to just take that same shade, whatever's left over on the brush, and then bring it up a little bit. Easiest eyeshadow ever. And since we're still on the eyes, let's go ahead and just do mascara. I'm taking the Lancome primer that I've talked about. You're just gonna go and coat it to where all your lashes are white. Let it get tacky for, I don't know, 20 seconds or so, and then go in with your mascara. This is a really good mascara from Lancome. It is the Lash Idol. I like this one, and I like the Ilia Limitless mascara. That one's good too. Now we're gonna go in with concealer. It's the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light Medium. I like to do eye makeup first, just to clean everything up afterwards with concealer. It makes my life so easy. I'm gonna blend. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish and set that initially with a little bit of something. I'm actually just going to bake a little bit right underneath the eye right there. Just a little, and let that sit to help avoid any creasing. Oh, that's more than I wanted. And I'm telling you, it looks crazy now because I don't have foundation. Bear with me until I get some foundation, and all will be fine. I love this foundation from NARS. It's their latest one. It's the Light Reflecting Foundation. It is skincare and makeup in one, so it's gonna be just so good for your skin over time, and it gives you the most beautiful medium coverage. Like, it's my favorite foundation so far. Now we're gonna brighten up the rest of my face a little bit. We're just gonna powder down the forehead. I'll show you the shine difference. It's crazy. Okay, do you see that? No shine, shine, no shine, shine. This powder is phenomenal. We're gonna add a little bit of bronzer on the side of my nose. Now for brows. First, we're gonna clean up the foundation that's kind of like in my brows, because I'm not actually putting in any color. I'm just gonna go in with gel to just keep it a little more natural than a strong brow. Honestly, my brows are so beastly. They come off as strong anyway, so sometimes it's just better to go in with a gel, especially for an everyday look. The key is to get a good gel. So this one is from Benefit. I love it. I'm just gonna fluff those babies up. I'm gonna take this and put it right underneath my lower lashes to give some color there. So just be a little careful to just draw that out. I'm getting too excited. On an everyday basis, I probably wouldn't do this. But I'm just really liking how this turned out. Now I'm gonna go in, I guess I'll just use this brush and kind of blend that out a little. Like so. All right, we'll add some mascara right at the bottom lashes here, just a little. I just kind of go in with like a very light hand. Another trick is to take your brow gel and put that on your lower lashes because it gives you a little bit of enough to separate it without adding like a harsh black color. So I'm just gonna go in with the brow gel and just separate them. Okay, so here's the look so far. We still need a little bit of powder bronzer, so I'm gonna go in. It's normally a bit higher than I'd like to take it, but that's what TikTok taught me to do. So we're gonna try it. This is from Dibs, and I'm going to just put the tiniest bit of this, and I'm gonna go over it with powder because it's a pretty strong color. So, like very subtle. Put in a little cream blush right on top, and then we'll go over it with the powder that I love so much. This is the blush. Look how stunning that is. It's beautiful. It is from Hourglass. I will link it below. This is the highlighter I love. It's by Iconic, and I think it's just original. It's original. It is strong, so I'll show you. I put a very small amount on each side. Oh, I put too much on this side, so now I'm gonna have to match the other side. That's how it always goes, and then I overdo it. But like I say, I don't think there's a such thing as too much highlight. And then I'm gonna put a little bit right on my nose, like that. And just kind of blend that out. Then you can just take any like highlighter, like powder highlighter you have, and just go over it just to lock that in. Because any liquid that you do, you're gonna wanna lock it in with powder. I'm just gonna take a Q-tip because I don't have my small brush with me for some reason. I'm gonna just pop that in the inner corner of my eye. Don't ask me where my small brush is. I really don't know. But this gives a little bit of a little pop, and I really like it. Now we're gonna go in with lipstick. This shade is beautiful. It's from Tarte. It's their H2O Bomb, and it's in shade Retreat. Look at that color. So good. Oh, it's stunning. I mean, if there's one thing I can get you to purchase this whole look, it's this lipstick. It is so good. If you want to put a gloss over it, you can. I have this kind of mauve-y purple one, so I could totally add a little something. I like to do it on the sides to keep the center of the lips brighter. And then the last thing you want to do, this look is basically done, is add some spray. Press in the excess. And this is the final look. So let me get my hair together so I don't look like my face and my hair are just not friends. Okay. This is the final look. I kind of lied. In the beginning, I said this is like an everyday makeup look, but then I got so excited to do makeup again on camera, and I kind of went a little more extra with like highlight and then setting the concealer for a little bit longer, which kind of gives you that, I don't know, flawless finish. But I really like how it turned out. So I may have to label this like everyday purpley makeup. I don't know, but it's just such a pretty look. I love pink and purple together. It's so beautiful. No matter what you're wearing, obviously I'm wearing something that'll really complement the makeup, but it's just so beautiful. Like even if you wear like a denim dress, like a light denim dress with this makeup look. Anyways, I hope you guys found this helpful. I will link up all of my favorite products down below. I know you guys are gonna want this lipstick. I have so my code at Tarte is always active. It's, I believe, Nita 15, and that gets you 15% off. I'll put it down in the description box, but that'll always give you 15% off the site. This product of theirs, and they have other shades too, like this one right here is room service. and I'll just kind of swatch it. Don't mind the hair on my arms, but even room service that would have really gone with the look. And in comparison, this is Retreat. I mean, both shades are, gosh, beautiful. So anyways, they make really good lip products, of course, in their concealer. She's my favorite. So if you want to check it out, I'll put the link in my bio. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's been a really long time since I've given you guys like an updated makeup routine. So I hope you guys love it, and I will see you in my next video. Chat soon. Bye-bye.